Ladies and gentlemen, I am about to show you some real epic shit. No other way to describe it. Check out this hackery. Why is it still alive?
I don't know. It gets me to shut the right valve off. I know. It gets me to shut the right valve off.
But that ain't nothing. Check out this Norris. Here it comes. You waiting? Ready? Ready for it? Bow. Do you see the issue yet? Tell me you see it and smash that thumbs up button. Check out this great electrical work right there. Look at that. Look at that. It goes around, up and around, and it disappears into the abyss. Yep, we got a total of 1, 2, 3 tankless domestic water heaters here in the Golden Corral here in Orlando, Florida. And we even got a shark bite. Look at that amazing shark bite. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Mike Dyack. I am a master plumber and HVAC technician. Today, we are at the Golden Corral on I Drive here in Orlando, Florida. Today, we do demolition. It's gonna be fun. Smash that thumbs up in advance. And don't forget to subscribe. There's zero cost or obligation. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to get post notifications when I drop a new video. Let's get going with demo. Hey, Matt, look, they're ready for us.
Yeah.
Reserved for a private party. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let me show you what we're doing here. All right, in the women's lavatory, we're changing out all the fixtures. We have 3 water closets, 1, 2, 3. We got, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, with 1 sink here being replaced. Just a direct replacement, not doing any re-roughs of anything. Over here, we have this double vanity. Double vanity. These 2 lavatories. We're adding a 3rd right there in the middle. So we'll have 1, 2, 3. Across the hall in the men's bathroom. We're maintaining the two lavatories, and we're changing out all the porcelain, the 2 water closets, the wall-mounted lavatory, and the 2 floor-mounted urinals. These are both to get replaced. Good 4 inches down for these drains. Of course, flushometers and our brass and our hardware. All right, one other thing over here, we're adding another wall sink, but we're putting it here. They're redoing this partition right here. We're adding a sink here, so we're gonna grab the waters from overhead, and it's crazy here. Actually, we actually do have some copper. Amazing. How you doing, Christian?
Good.
Excellent.
All right. So,
We
I'm gonna have to actually turn this water off because I can't leave here with it doing.
Let's go kill the water. No bueno. We're gonna have to kill this. Let's go kill the water.
Okay, it's all off.
Water's off?
Yeah, but that other in the men's bathroom, it's not off.
It's not.
The Met is sure? Just checked it
I
just now?
checked the one lab, yes, sir, and I flushed 2. You're on.
Really?
Yes.
Because there's a valve that's marked men's bathroom and it's
Okay.
closed. So if our cold water's gone too here? I know you have hot water open right now. Check.
I don't know. I opened up both of my faucets earlier. They
I'm
both
good.
poured
I'm
out
done.
water.
We have no hot water.
So both those valves are open underneath there?
No,
Perfect.
but now they're closed.
Oh.
I'm done.
If you open that, what happens?
Oh, no, we're good now.
Wow, look at that. Okay, excellent.
Done.
All right, perfect. All right, we got this main one off here. Makes sense because we have flushometers, so that 1.25 inch line right there is feeding our domestic cold water to the bathroom. And just because I feel like it, throw in a little Mikey pipe sticker there. Leave my mark at this Golden Corral in Orlando. You want any stickers, email me, mike@mikeypipes.com. All right, water's off, and right behind us, we do have the demo team already demoing. Wow. What's going on? Look at this. This is good stuff. I have a feeling that probably in the next hour, this whole bathroom is gonna be gutted. That's some real good stuff right there.
Quality service.
Quality. See, this is the definition of leading by example. What are you doing there, Tom?
Taking this flush armors off. Get ready to take the toilet out, sir.
The water's off.
I don't want to hold the demo guy up there.
Here, scoot up out of here. Let me get the rest of these out of here, bud.
All right, well, you want to do the labs? I can get these. Want to do the labs?
Can anyone have a sledgehammer? Can we just like...
I'm breaking these up again.
Oh, absolutely. I know you are. That's gonna be a lot of fun.
I was gonna.
If they were looking for some excitement,
We got it today.
you better stick around because the excitement is coming. The excitement just begun. And I haven't even had my coffee yet. Tom leading by example there with the channel lock. Look at that. And it's the official channel lock, not the nitpicks or
And the
black gloves.
And the black gloves.
Hold on, black
We're
gloves.
wearing black gloves from now
We have
on.
footsie with the orange gloves on. Are those the ones?
He's got grip, my friend.
Is that the ones that from Shuby?
No, I am not from.
Oh, you know what I'm talking about.
I know what you're talking about. They're not.
Rip for her pleasure. And it got Christian with the black gloves on as well. You see, we implemented new policy and it's taking effect. Amazing. You did it.
Yes.
Mongo pile?
Yep.
Really?
I don't know. I was going to ask the other guys,
What are the guys?
demo guys,
Oh, if they want it?
who get the brass. They take the fish, carry the fish out to the dumpster for us.
Oh, that's a win-win.
It's just a win.
It's actually a pretty slick move. We give them all the scrap brass, right? And the demo guys haul all the fixtures to the dumpster. I'm fine with that. Makes perfect sense. All right. Let's pull the valves. Why is it still live?
I don't know. It gets me to shut the right valve off. I know. It gets me to shut the right valve off. All right, there goes Mike putting the flush valve back in place to isolate this bathroom.
You know what I feel like? I feel like that guy under the vanity in the apartment.
Yeah, where you flooded it out.
Yeah.
All right, makes no sense, but I also closed this one. So now we have this bathroom closed. This is the flushometers. This is the urinals. Open that back up too. You never know.
Why get the white part faster? Okay. This one.
Oh yeah?
You just line it up. Yeah, that one's up. Turn. No way.
Hold on. Who wants to find out? Want to move that maybe?
Yeah.
Is that ours or theirs?
That's ours.
Oh. Okay, chill, boss. Where's my boy Matt? Where's Footsie? You good, Footsie?
2 threads.
Oh my God, looks like you took a bath.
Yeah, I know. This place is plumbed like Willy Wonka's house, dude.
What is Tom doing? Tom's multitasking. Tom's drying himself off. Matt, get under the hair dryer, the blower, hand blower.
This was on there by 2 threads, bro.
Really?
2 threads. That's it.
You all right?
Yeah, I'm fine.
You all right? Oh, you're a little wet too. Look at this. That was better than the last.
Yes.
That was better than the last.
Okay.
Hold on. Okay,
You're
go.
losing the side here.
You can't
Where's your PPP?
Squint your eyes.
Use your head. Put them on your eyeballs. There you go. Now you have your safety squints on. You see?
There we go.
Look at the Terminator, bro. Make it happen.
Yeah.
You weren't supposed to break it. How do you feel?
I feel good on a Monday morning, that's for sure.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is 24 hours later. I'm on site. It is 7:25 in the morning. So we're getting rocked here in the bathroom. We gotta move fast with this because they're gonna start rocking this up. Hopefully they wait, because I think we're adding a sink here. This is all rocked up already. This has got to get fixed. All right, so here you gotta love Florida plumbing. You got a 2 by 1.5 inch TY on a flat, picking up lava waste on that side. I can tell you this: if I don't stick this through, they'll probably bury it in the wall. This has got to get cleaned up. Why there is a why is there a hose spigot here? Drop your elbow. I have no idea, but there's another TY on a flat. I don't get this Florida plumbing at all. They make you work so. Oh, look, it's gone now. They make you work so hard for your license here, and only 30% of the people ever pass the licensed master plumber exam here. But then you see, I'm sorry, shit like this. Like, I'm sorry, you know, I took the isometric drawing part of the exam, and I don't know how I did, but I would never draw it like that. Like, come on, you have 2 fixtures on a cross TY, 2 on the. Well, I guess if it's trapped, right? But I gotta admit, at least they were smart enough to put a clean out on the bathroom floor. Epic.